Tesla's biggest challenge right now isn't Waymo regulation or even weaker EV demand. It's proving that its enormous vision can become a scalable and profitable business. Good morning, everyone. This is Ken from Life in the Future. If I had to describe Tesla's week in one phrase, it would be from expectations to evidence. We saw Robotaxi expand into Miami, Waymo announced 4 new markets, strong Model Y sales, bullish FSD analysis, and another sharp reversal in Tesla stock. In the next few minutes, I'll explain what these mixed signals mean, why the market's attitude toward Tesla is changing, and what investors should watch next. Let's begin with the stock. Tesla briefly fell toward $379 before rebounding above $432. That suggests buyers successfully defended the $380 area, at least for now, but the stock was then rejected above $430 and pushed back toward $393. In simple terms, investors bought Tesla at the bottom but sold it near the top, which tells me the market is still searching for direction. The biggest story was Tesla's Robotaxi expansion into Miami. On the surface, this should be a major positive. Robotaxi connects FSD, Cybercab, artificial intelligence, and Tesla's future transportation network. But the stock couldn't hold its gains. My view is that this was more sell the news than genuine disappointment, but the reaction also tells us that an expansion announcement is no longer enough. The market now wants measurable Robotaxi results. How many vehicles are operating? How much human supervision is required? What are the safety statistics, and can the service produce attractive margins? Tesla's Robotaxi story is moving from the expectation phase into the proof phase. Investors are no longer asking whether Tesla can launch a service. They're asking whether it can scale that service safely and profitably. Waymo's latest expansion makes that question even more important. Waymo reportedly plans to expand autonomous service into San Diego, Las Vegas, Tampa Bay, and Denver. This gives investors another platform against which to measure Tesla's progress. Right now, Waymo has the stronger evidence of real-world operation. Tesla's advantage is its potential scale through millions of vehicles, enormous driving data, manufacturing capacity, software distribution, and eventually Cybercab. That difference is central to Tesla's valuation. Waymo represents more visible evidence today, while Tesla represents the possibility of much greater scale tomorrow. The difficulty is deciding how much investors should pay today for a network that has not yet been fully demonstrated. I remain optimistic about Tesla's long-term potential, but optimism should not prevent us from asking for clear operating data. Regulation could also reshape the competition. New Jersey is reportedly considering rules that could require additional sensors rather than cameras alone for commercial autonomous vehicles. If similar requirements spread, Tesla's vision-only strategy could face additional costs or deployment delays. At the same time, federal discussions about allowing fully autonomous vehicles without steering wheels could support the Cybercab design. Regulation may therefore create both headwinds and opportunities for Tesla. The automotive business offered more encouraging evidence. Tesla, China delivered 52,920 vehicles domestically in June and exported another 36,171 vehicles from Giga Shanghai. Model Y also reportedly became the best-selling vehicle in the Netherlands during the first half of 2026. LG Energy Solutions reported battery production expansion in Nanjing adds another positive demand signal. To me, this shows that saying Tesla demand is weak everywhere is far too simplistic. Demand clearly varies by region, and model, Tesla still faces competitive and pricing pressure, but Model Y remains an important global product. Its performance could provide the financial foundation Tesla needs while Robotaxi, FSD, and Optimus continue developing. For investors, that matters because future technology requires strong cash generation from the existing business. FSD also produced an interesting week. FSD V14 Lite reportedly began rolling out in South Korea, while one analyst argued that FSD may be approaching an iPhone-like turning point. The idea is that FSD could transform a Tesla from a vehicle into a software platform with recurring economic value. I understand the comparison, but the market still needs evidence, adoption rates, subscription revenue, international approvals, and independently credible safety improvements. We also need to stay realistic about timing. Citizens warned that short-term optimism surrounding Robotaxi and Optimus may be excessive. That doesn't mean these businesses will fail. It means meaningful revenue and profit could arrive later than bullish investors expect. A massive future opportunity can still disappoint the market if commercialization takes several years longer than the stock price assumes. So here is my conclusion. Tesla's future has not been rejected. Robotaxi, FSD, Cybercab, Optimus, and Energy still offer enormous potential, but the market is becoming less willing to reward promises without measurable execution. The next chapter will be defined by what Tesla delivers, not simply what Tesla announces. Going forward, I'll be watching whether Tesla stock can hold the $400 level, although one price level should never determine an investment decision. More importantly, I'll be monitoring Robotaxi fleet data, Tesla's deployment speed compared with Waymo, new FSD markets, Model Y demand in China and Europe, and the company's margins and free cash flow. Those indicators will tell us whether Tesla is converting its vision into a durable business. Now, I want to hear your view. Is Tesla's valuation still too far ahead of reality, or is the market underestimating what could happen when Robotaxi and FSD finally scale? Share your analysis in the comments. If you found this video useful, please like it and subscribe to Life in the Future for daily Tesla coverage and investor-focused analysis. Thank you for watching, and let's keep enjoying life with Tesla. Before we wrap up, let me take a moment to introduce myself. I drive a Tesla Model Y, and at home, I've installed a Tesla Powerwall, so I actually charge my car with solar energy. I truly believe Tesla is shaping the future, and that's why I share the latest news and insights here on this channel. I'm from Japan, but I want to connect with Tesla fans all around the world. That's why I also create an English version of my videos. YouTube now lets you switch the audio into your own language, so you can enjoy it in whatever language you prefer. Most of all, I'd love to connect with Tesla fans everywhere so we can support Tesla together. I also share updates on X, so feel free to follow me there and let's connect. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to this channel. I'd really appreciate it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.